Namaste.
Namaste. Welcome. We have another fantastic video. Our favorite collector core boxes. Don't you just love the collector core boxes?
So much.
We're going to get into this right after this.
Hi, welcome back. Yes, collector core speed dray man. That's how we say it over in the South Pacific, where I'm from.
The South Pacific.
Yep.
Alrighty.
So let's see what they give us this time in Spider-Man. Ooh, Nick, your favorite. T-shirt. Oh, we got the lame stickers.
There's the sticker.
Oh, it's got Spider-Gwen on it.
There's the shirt. That's actually a cool shirt.
There's the pen. There's the card. Oh, Wakanda's
Coming soon.
Yeah.
Wakanda Forever.
It's coming very soon. Sooner than you think.
Yeah.
All right. Here's our first pop. I will let you undo.
Oh,
those.
wow. They're even wrapping them now.
Yeah,
Look at that.
We got fancy. This is going to save them.
Spider-Gwen.
Spider-Gwen.
Cool.
Well, there's the Spider-Man.
That one's actually pretty cool looking. I like the... That's cool. All right.
So that's it.
That's a very quick video.
Yay.
You guys know how we feel about these.
You got to get them, though.
You got to get them.
You got to get them.
But we feel the same way that a lot of you guys feel.
You love them?
A lot of people hate them.
No. Love them. Actually, I'm not disappointed.
I'm not disappointed with this one.
Spider-Man one's free.
The shirt was cool.
Oh.
The shirt's always the best part of every box.
Who's actually going to love these pops? Actually love these pops. Is key tons of fun. And you
Shout out to Keaton.
Yes, and you should go check them out. They got an awesome,
If you're not already.
awesome channel.
Yep.
Father, son, sort of like this. I don't know.
We're a disaster. People actually enjoy watching those two.
Yeah, they're nice.
They're
cute.
nice.
Cute
Us,
look.
we're just a train wreck.
Ooh.
Yeah. So that's the difference.
But yeah, Key Tons is going to love that box.
All right, guys, that is it for that review.
Yeah, that's it.
Did you get a box? Did you not
10-4.
get a box? I know most of you that watch these videos don't get the box, according to our last few that we've done on these.
Yeah, but hey,
But it is what it is. They are what they are.
Are what they are.
They need to get better. Maybe they will. Maybe Wakanda Forever is going to be the box where it finally gets better. Or it gets worse. And you'll find out in the next video.
Yep. So,
bye, guys.
Adios.